All right. It's Thursday morning. I'm under the weather. I just got back from Vegas. I'm tired. I'm not in the perfect state for trading, but I did end up making a little bit of money today. Going to show you guys what's going on this morning. Showing you guys 2 trades this morning. 1 loser, 1 winner. I'll talk about those trades here in a second. Trading equities today. Back in the equities account, small account. Making a little bit of money, a little bit of green, a little bit of green, a little bit of green, a little bit of green. I feel like I'm green right now, so I'm happy that I ended up green. It would have been a real slap in the face to be red trading and also 6. So, yeah, well, let's talk about it. Let's talk about that action right here. Before we get into the live action, tomorrow morning I'll be live at 8:45 Eastern, 8:45 a.m. before the market opens. So make sure you guys tune in tomorrow morning at 8:45. Everybody has been complaining that I don't go live anymore. Well, I'm going to go live, so you better tune in. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Thursday morning. I'm back from Vegas a little early. Got a little sick when I was in Vegas, so kind of flew back feeling like crap right now. So hopefully that doesn't affect my trading performance today. And this morning we're trading in the CME equities account. And right now I'm short here on Bed Bath & Beyond, BBY, yesterday after earnings coming out, stock plummeting from the 1675 area. It actually bounced back pretty nicely there from 1250 back up there to the $15 area. And this morning kind of still starting to head lower here, looking to see if we can't get down there to the $14 area here at open. A little bit of a washout here, just kind of continue some selling pressure here. And getting short there at 1461, you can see this is the 5-minute chart. The gap down, we bounced back. We found some support here at the 1450 area. And I'm looking to see if we can't lose that support and get down there to the $14 area one more time here. We got 400 shares short, like I said, trading in the CME account. Bed Bath & Beyond pushing up there to the 1475, 76 area. And watching it closely, got the VWAP right there. We got some previous resistance in this area. So I'm going to just kind of hold through this and look to see what happens if this is going to start to come back down, which looks like it's having some trouble there at the 1470 area. So we'll sit back here. All right, so I'm going to jump out of that Bed Bath & Beyond trade. We look like we were going to start to trend lower, but we found some support there at the 1450 area again and push up here to 1470. So I'm going to just get out with a small loss there of $36. $36 this morning here on Bed Bath & Beyond, and then wait for another opportunity going here into open for something else to pop along. All right, so we got some movement here on AGTC right now. AGTC trying to pop up here, 660 area now. So popping above the VWAP and the resistance. Got a little resistance coming up here at the 1670 area. So let's see what happens here at 1670. If we can push through that 1670 resistance there and try to get going here on AGTC. We've got about an 18 million share float there. It's up 58%. We got 2.6 million shares traded so far. And this is all from the Trade Ideas Gapper list this morning. Ooh, right through 670 there. Nice. So pushing through that resistance, going into open here. Looking strong right now. Just looking for a pullback here, washout of sort. So I'm going to grab 200 shares right there at 669, and I can add some more if we do start to wash here at open on AGTC. So see what happens here going into open. Really the only thing on the gapper list right now that looks like it wants to make a move here. So can add some more there, just like we planned. We got 600 shares now. 661 average cost. Looking for a push right through $7 here at open. We got about 10 seconds now until the market opens. So at open, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Market is officially open. So getting stuck right there, down to 650. Popping back above 650. Starting to push back here. Big seller sitting there 660 right now. Trying to push up here. Let's see if we can get that 670 break. We got to get over 670 here. It's got to push over 670 or get stuck just like that. Give it a little bit of time here. See if we can't pop back above 650 one more time here. Get a little short squeeze going. Some momentum going here. Back above 650 here. This thing's going to push, but having trouble here. It's got to rip through 650 right here. It's just got to rip it. Having trouble there, 650 still. The sellers are stacking up there. It's not letting it get by. If you can push through 650, it'll definitely want to go. Bit of a battle going on right here, so we'll give it a little bit longer. See which way it wants to go from here. The 630 area holding right now, so watching that 630 here closely. Over 650 should start the party. Look at that. There's 670. Beautiful. Let's see if we can push all the way up to $7. Think we can. Think we can. I'm going to take some there at 670. Hold the rest for the push higher here. Some of our shares left. Looking for a 670 area to break through here. Pretty good there. 690. Oops. I did not mean to sell all of my shares there. Not bad there. $230 there on AGTC. Just watching that 630 area. We saw that there was support there, 630, 625 area. That's why I was being stubborn and holding through it there. And you can see that push now all the way up there to 695. So nice little push here on AGTC. Looks like Bed Bath & Beyond ended up cracking there. Look at that, just getting murdered. Ouch. So it did end up pushing. I would have ended up getting stopped out either way, so it doesn't really matter. I would have gotten stopped out there at the 75 area, and it pushed all the way up there to 15, 14.94. I was just a little early to that party. And you can see from 14.90 down there to 13.51. So Bed Bath & Beyond, BBY, getting crushed there at open. And AGTC now right there at $7, just trying to do something. But it seems like there's just a lot of selling pressure just stacking up there and slowing it down right now. So would have really liked to have seen just a big push through 7 up there to 750. I think it would have been really possible if that would have had the momentum, had the real volume momentum behind it there. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just kind of close this out. I'm still pretty under the weather right now, so put this on a summary and see where we ended up at. So after commissions and fees, it'll probably be around $150, I'd say. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe like 160. 160 for the day. Trading in the small account here. AGTC up there to 690. Like I said, the reason that I was still holding this through that was we knew that we kind of bounced at this support area here pre-market. We were holding that area, so that's what I was watching, that 630, just giving it that last ditch effort. We've seen this before where we get these moves, these pullbacks to support, and then we get that big rally there once the shorts get squeezed. And I'd say that's what we got today. We got a little short squeeze, little squeezing of the shorts there going in after open. So all the shorts kind of piling in there, thinking it's going to break below 630. We don't break below 630. We end up pushing, and all the shorts get squeezed out there. So it is what it is. I'm definitely, I need to go take some NyQuil or something, go sleep this off. Ugh. My nose is all clogged up. My eyes are all clogged up. My face is all clogged. Everything's all clogged up right now, and I got to get out of here. So I might go live tomorrow morning. Who knows? We'll see. Tomorrow morning, I'll probably be live. It's Friday. Let's do it. It's been a while. So, guys, I'll see you tomorrow morning at, we'll say, what do you think? 8:30 a.m. Be here. All right, well, let's do 9. We'll do 8:45. Be here at 8:45 tomorrow morning Eastern. I'll see you guys.